And here we have the 3-bedroom ocean view at the Aulani Resort here in Hawaii. So upon entry, you do have a nice little table, a storage area where you can store like boogie boards, all that kind of stuff. And then as you walk in, you have this nice big living area. This couch does open up as a bed, so there's extra if you have more people, they can stay there. There is a dining room table. When you walk out, you do get a nice view of the ocean, and it does go all the way down as well. It has a nice big kitchen, some bar stools as well. A table that does sit 8 people, and there is additional chairs where you could sit 10 if you did need to. The nice thing about this room is that it does have a washer and dryer included, so you can do laundry and stuff like that. And this is the main bedroom, so pretty spacious, king size bed. All the TVs say welcome. And then it does have a door to the balcony as well. And it has a nice big bathroom. Has a tub in it as well. It has these wooden shutters that you can shut. A nice big bathroom with a shower and toilet as well. And then storage areas. So continuing down the hallway, this is the 2nd bedroom. So you have 2 queen size beds, some storage area and a little table. And behind the door, there's also more storage as well to store a suitcase and stuff like that. And then this is the 2nd bathroom. So pretty spacious. Does have a tub and shower, which they do provide all their own shampoo, conditioner, and body washes, which is very nice. And then this is the last bedroom. So more 2 double beds, I guess queen beds. A nice little seating area in here. And then each room does have a door to the balcony. And then there is a bathroom attached to this specific room. So pretty nice shower, nice area to get ready, standard toilet, and there is some storage as well here. So I believe this does sleep about 10 people, but if you have 5 or more, it will sleep all of you. One nice thing that Aulani does do in each room, they do leave all these little flower clips that you can use as hair clips, so you can wear them throughout your whole stay. Hope you all enjoy.